Hello, Francesca again from Redondo Ballet, along with Jaleesa, one of our senior members from Redondo Ballet Company. We have brought out the bar, and we thought it was probably important to tell you, even standing at the bar has some interesting facts. How do you know how close or how far away to stand from the bar? Arms are going to come through en avant. You're opening your arms to alla seconde, and your wrist should fall at the bar. Then when she gently holds onto the bar, she has a nice round quality to her arms, and then she's able to work. If she gets too close to the bar, you see she's hindered by that elbow, and if she gets too far away from the bar, then she has to do all sorts of contortions to stay close and hold on to the bar. So that's how you're going to find your position. Arms are in Brava. Again, remember, go back to that first video, lift those insteps, kneecaps to your thighs, thighs are rotated, stomach, chest, chin, en avant, 2 alla seconde. We're going to do a demi-plie, 1 in first position. We are pushing through those Achilles, we're not letting the heels come away from the floor, resisting. Going into a grand plie, you are going to see that she is going to show that demi-plie. Now, she's reluctantly taking those heels off, she's not sitting at the bottom, push those heels back into the ground to a full stretch. Grand plie is super hard. Alla seconde. Now, with her alla seconde dancers, we are going to go through a demi-plie. Do you see how she's even stepped away from the bar? Now her fingertips are on the bar, so she's still nice and secure, but she's still able to stay super square over those feet. Here we go, demi-plie, resisting, and look at those fabulous muscles, and stretch, good. Even in second dances, 95% of your weight on your toes, 5% on your heels. Here we go into our grand plie. We're going to think about those knees pulling away from those hips now. That's going to allow her body to come all the way down. Freeze right there, even though it's not nice to freeze in a grand plie. No lower than a tabletop for your legs, and then recover. See her heels stay on the ground. In an open plié position, heels stay on the ground. Tendu, we're going to ferme into 5th. Let's go to 5th. Yeah? If you're an advanced dancer, you'll put yourself here. Otherwise, you would be doing pliés in 3rd position. We're in a cross position, so we're going to go back to heels coming off the floor in a grand plie. And so let's do a demi-plie first. We are thinking about that back thigh, heels pushing into the ground, back thigh being held back when you recover. That's what's going to happen. You're going to want to let that back knee fall forward, and that's how you're going to hurt yourself. And now we're going to go into a grand plie again. Lots of energy on that back knee, and the heels reluctantly come off the floor, and then you're going to push those heels back down onto the ground, showing your demi-plie before you finish. Otherwise, dancers, you're doing knee bends, and we don't do knee bends. See you soon.